Hello everyone, and welcome to our hotel quiz. This quiz is perfect for ESL learners who want to practice their English with fun and simple questions about staying in a hotel. Whether you're planning a trip or just love learning about travel, this quiz is for you. Ready? Let's go! What do you call the person who helps you with your bags at a hotel?
Chef, bellhop, gardener, receptionist.
Oh, thank you.
This way, please. Where do you sleep in a hotel room?
On the floor, on the bed, in the bathroom, on the balcony.
What is the room where you eat breakfast called?
Lobby, dining room, gym, conference room.
What can you do with a room key?
Open your hotel room door. Start a car. Turn on the TV. Call the front desk.
What should you do if you need extra towels?
Ask the bellhop. Call housekeeping. Go to the kitchen. Visit the manager.
Hello, I would like some towels, please.
Sure. Here you go.
Where can you get information about nearby attractions?
At the front desk. In the laundry room. In the parking lot. In the elevator.
Hello, how far is the ski resort?
Go straight on this main road. It's on your right. It shouldn't take more than 10 minutes.
Okay, thanks.
What do you call the small fridge in a hotel room?
Mini bar. Oven. Microwave. Coffee maker.
What can you find in a hotel lobby?
Beds. Check-in desk and seating area. Swimming pool. Gym.
What do you call the service that brings food to your room?
Housekeeping. Room service. Concierge. Front desk.
Where do you park your car at a hotel?
In the dining room. In the hotel parking lot. On the roof. In the lobby.
What is the first thing you do when you arrive at a hotel?
Go to the gym. Check in at the front desk. Swim in the pool. Go to the restaurant.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I have a reservation. My name is John Smith.
What is a suite in a hotel?
A type of meal. A large and luxurious room. A swimming pool. A gym area.
Room service, this is Anne. May I help you?
Good evening.
What should you do if your room is too hot or too cold?
Call maintenance. Open the window. Go to the lobby. Call the front desk.
Hello.
What should you do if you lose your room key?
Make a new one. Ask for help at the front desk. Leave the hotel. Call the police.
Hello, I need help. I've lost my room key.
What is a continental breakfast?
A full-course meal. A light breakfast. A dinner buffet. A lunch special.
What do you do if you want to leave the hotel early in the morning?
Take a nap. Check out at the front desk. Go to the gym. Ask for a wake-up call.
Good morning. I would like to check out, please.
Sure, let me check your room number. Right, the total is $75.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
That's the end of our hotel quiz. We hope you had fun and learned something new. Did you enjoy the activity? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this quiz, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun and educational content. Safe travels, and see you next time.